All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So today we're going to be looking at cases for the Galaxy S23. This is the smaller variant of this device. This is just a nice Ringke lineup. Ringke brings out some of the best cases, obviously. I've shown you tons of Ringke products on this channel. And today we're going to look at them for the smaller variant of the S23 that's upcoming. Now, at the recording of this video, the device is not out, so be mindful of that while you're watching. Let's get into it. This is the Fusion, obviously. This is the clear. The size of this device is what I'm really excited about because I really like devices that are in this size right here. So I'll leave the protection on for now because I'm going to follow up again just in case I decide to give some of these away. But here we go. Pops on nice and easy. And this is one of the reasons I like smaller devices sometimes in body overall, because you get to put a case on it and it still feels really good. Now, granted, my hands are larger than most, but this still is a very nice size device. So looking around the device here, Ringke has decided to go full throttle and do the camera cutouts, it just makes it look so much better, and you get more protection in this area right here. Now, these cameras are now recessed, so that when you lay it down this way, it will not get any damage to the lenses. And along this side here, you can see it's smooth on this side. Lanyard there, obviously. Microphone cutout. On this side, you've got the volume rocker and power, and lanyard on that side, and then all your ports are going to be down here on the bottom. So this is the Fusion, and they also have the matte clear Fusion. This has got to be one of my favorites. This is probably the one I'll wear on mine because I'm going to get the S23 for sure. You can see the difference here. It's just that these are going to be matte. That's the difference. This is a matte and this is a clear. Now, these cases all will work with wireless charging because they are plastic on the back. There's no metal interference, and that's just what it is. So this is the matte and this is the clear. And again, I'm not taking the protection film off yet because I'm going to follow up, and I like to do giveaways sometimes. This is the Fusion X, obviously. This is one of their popular ones because it has that camo version. This is very nice here. Texture all along the sides of this case right here. It's just a win-win. So you've got drop protection on the corners. It's wireless charging compatible too because of the clear plastic. It's hard plastic, but it's plastic. And the design of this one just has so much grip all along the edges of here. It's just really nice. So we'll show you what it looks like with this black on. That is really nice. And I do plan on getting, if there's a gold version or some unique color, I'll probably get that. It would be nice if there was a blue version, but I doubt they'll do that. So that is the Fusion X. And then the last one that I wasn't expecting it to be in the packaging, this is the Fusion Design, and this is Floral. This is pretty eclectic. So ladies, a lot of ladies out there wear things like this. This might be something that you're interested in. And this one has some instructions here. The other ones have instructions too, but it's just letting you know how to get that off, so you don't mess up the interior or anything like that. But this is the Floral, and this is totally different. This is basically a Fusion case with a design, a pattern. It's textured too, folks. It's got some texture to it. Pretty eclectic. That is definitely different. That's a different setup right there. Really nice though. All these cases again will work with wireless charging, this is different. This actually looks really, like, I could rock something like this if it didn't have flowers. Let's just say if it was cars or, other cell phone logos or something in there. That would actually be pretty cool, just to have a clear case with some kind of design in there, like my own logo in there. That would be really nice. But anyway, it's your man Jay. I wanted to show you the cases that Ringke sent over. This is a very nice eclectic setup. Really nice. All of these cases, folks, are they're hard plastic on the back end, so the drop protection, believe it or not, is there for these cases. So keep that in mind. It's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed. And I know people buy Ringke cases all the time. It's just a thing. They're a popular company and they make good quality products. So it's no exception. This Floral one caught me off guard though. So I know a lot of ladies, maybe some fellas will rock that too. But yeah, it just depends on what you like. Anyway, it's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.